Good morning, everyone. Today, the markets are buzzing with potential. If you're tuning in before the bell rings, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 key things you absolutely need to know before the stock market opens. From futures pointing higher to blockbuster deals in AI and mining, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in. First up, stock futures are ticking higher as major indexes hover just shy of record highs. After the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite notched a new all-time high yesterday, futures are signaling a positive start to the week. This momentum is largely fueled by growing expectations that the Federal Reserve will deliver interest rate cuts in the near future. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average are both teetering right below their peaks as we head into today's session. Over in commodities, Bitcoin is edging up to $112,500 after some recent pressure. The 10-year Treasury yield is climbing back after dipping to its lowest since April, while gold and oil futures are also nudging higher in early trading. Keep an eye on these trends, they could set the tone for the day. For real-time updates, check out Investopedia's Dow Jones coverage. Number 2. A massive AI deal is sending shares soaring. Nebius Group, the Amsterdam-based AI infrastructure powerhouse, just announced a multi-year partnership with Microsoft. Their stock, ticker NBIS, is up over 50% in pre-market trading. Under the deal, Nebius will supply Microsoft with dedicated capacity at its brand new data center in Vineland, New Jersey, kicking off later this year. Reports from CNBC peg the value at a whopping $19.4 billion. Nebius CEO Arkady Valas couldn't be more pumped, saying, "The deal will also help us to accelerate the growth of our AI cloud business even further in 2026 and beyond." No surprise, AI chip giant NVIDIA, which holds a stake in Nebius, saw its shares tick up in pre-market, along with Microsoft. This could be a game changer for the AI sector. Head over to CNBC or Business Wire for the full press release if you want to dig deeper. Moving to point 3, big changes in the Murdoch media empire. After years of family drama, a deal has been struck to resolve the control battle over Rupert Murdoch's vast holdings, including Fox News and the Wall Street Journal. Lachlan Murdoch, who's already CEO of Fox, ticker Fox, and chair of News Corp, ticker NWS, will now take full control of the family trust that owns major stakes in both companies. As part of the agreement, Rupert's other children, Prudence MacLeod, Elizabeth Murdoch, and James Murdoch, are stepping back from their claims. However, the news isn't all positive for investors. Shares of both Fox and News Corp are down nearly 5% in pre-market trading. This shakeup could ripple through the media landscape. For more, check News Corp's official announcement. Point 4. All eyes on Oracle's earnings report after the close today. The cloud computing leader, ticker Oracle, is expected to deliver strong numbers. Analysts from Visible Alpha forecast a 13% year-over-year revenue jump to $15 billion, with adjusted earnings per share rising to $1.48. This comes on the heels of Oracle hitting an all-time high earlier this year, thanks to $30 billion in fresh cloud deals. The stock's already up more than 40% since the start of 2025 and is gaining about 1% in pre-market. If Oracle beats expectations, it could spark another rally in tech. Stay tuned. This one's a must-watch for growth stock fans. And rounding out our top 5, a blockbuster merger in the mining world. Teck Resources, ticker TECK, and Anglo American are combining forces to create Anglo-Teck, a new global minerals giant with a market cap over $53 billion. This powerhouse will dominate as one of the world's largest copper producers, boasting 6 world-class copper assets, plus top-tier iron ore and zinc operations. Teck shared in their release, Anglo-Teck will hold an industry-leading portfolio of producing operations. Shares of Canadian-based Teck are surging about 17% in pre-market, while UK-based Anglo American is up around 8% in London. With demand for critical minerals on the rise, this could be huge for the sector. Dive into Teck's news release for the details. There you have it, the 5 essential things to know before the markets open on September 9, 2025. From optimistic futures and AI breakthroughs to family settlements, earnings anticipation, and mining mergers, it's shaping up to be an action-packed day. What do you think? Bullish or cautious? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for daily market breakdowns. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, trade smart, and I'll see you tomorrow.